This motorcycle has been my only vehicle for the last 4 years. Recently got a car and learned how to drive. Before that, all I had was this motorcycle. Rain, hail, or shine, I have to go get my groceries in this. With the tank bag, the saddle bags, and the seat bag, you can fit quite a lot. But it's nothing like a car. It's the first time where I could just grab my wallet, my keys, go out, and not have to worry. The idea was so romantic in that I could just jump on the bike. I'm going to get into this lane just in case they don't see me. And that I could jump onto this bike and just go. And then about halfway through the weekend, that would be my turnaround point. And that's why, even though I've got the car now, and it's much safer, and I've had 2 accidents on this thing, I'm never going to give it up. I'm going to keep it, and then I'm going to mount it in my office. Because I just love this motorcycle so much. As grateful as I am to have a car, it feels huge compared to this. Like, look how much space I've got on the road. I've got lots of wiggle room and lots of mistake room, as I like to call it. Whereas in a car, I don't feel like I've got too much space to wiggle about and, you know, avoid things and trying not to get hit. But in the car, I know I'll be seen because it's so big. This is Wentworth Point, by the way. It's right next to Olympic Park. This is where I live. This cycling trail on the left, that's where Mitchell and I dated for a year. We'd come out here every week and we'd cycle. He didn't know how to ride a bike, so I taught him. I've got to park in such a way, but it just slightly annoys my partner.